first vegetables. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What's this?
What kind of vegetable?
Where is it?
Peas.
Green peas?
Yeah.
Green peas. Here we go. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. Yummy, yummy,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Lucas.
It's yummy!
Yeah.
He's like, you eat it. Oh, he's afraid. Oh, it's okay, honey. Oh, honey, it's okay. It's yummy.
Good boy. Yeah. Come
Yummy.
Yeah, you big boy. Yeah. What's this? What's this? Yay! Yeah, you good boy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Good. It's good. Yeah. Good boy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good stuff. What's this?
Have some more. He's getting bored. Oh, he
Good
likes it.
boy. Yeah. Good boy. What's daddy? Good. It's good. Yeah. Yeah, you good boy. Yeah.
Good boy.
Good boy. Daddy's eating it. Good boy. Lucas, good. We should try another flavor.
Not right now.
Oh yeah. Can you mix them up?
No.
Good.